The extraordinary properties of water. Learning objective. Explain how the properties of water that result from its polarity and hydrogen bonding affect its biological function. Properties of water. Polar molecule, cohesion, adhesion, high specific heat, density, it is greatest at 4 degrees Celsius. It's a universal solvent of life. Water. A water molecule, H2O, is made up of 3 atoms, 1 oxygen, and 2 hydrogen. Water is polar. In each water molecule, the oxygen atom attracts more than its fair share of electrons. The oxygen end acts negative because it gets more electrons. The hydrogen end acts positive because it loses an electron. Causes the water to be polar. However, water is neutral, equal numbers of electrons and protons. It has a 0 net charge. Water has a variety of unusual properties because of attractions between these polar molecules. The slightly negative region of one molecule are attracted to the slightly positive regions of nearby molecules, forming a hydrogen bond. Each water molecule can form hydrogen bonds with up to 4 neighbors. Hydrogen bonds exist between water molecules. They are formed between a highly electronegative atom of a polar molecule and a hydrogen. One hydrogen bond is weak, but many hydrogen bonds are strong. Interaction between water molecules. Negative oxygen end of one water molecule is attracted to the positive hydrogen end of another water molecule to form a hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bonds. They hold water molecules together. Each water molecule can form a maximum of 4 hydrogen bonds. The hydrogen bonds joining water molecules are weak, about 1/20th as strong as covalent bonds. Remember, covalent share valence electrons. They form, break, and reform with great frequency. Extraordinary properties that are the results of hydrogen bonds. Cohesive behavior. Resistant changes in temperature. High heat of vaporization. And expand when they freeze. They are a versatile solvent. Properties of water. At sea level, pure water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. The boiling temperature of water decreases at higher elevations because there's lower atmospheric pressure. For this reason, an egg will take longer to boil at higher altitudes. Cohesion is the attraction between particles of the same substance. It's why water is attracted to itself. It results in surface tension, a measure of the strength of the water's surface. Produces a surface film on water that allows insects to walk on the surface of water. Helps insects walk across water. Surface tension is a measure of the force necessary to stretch or break the surface of a liquid, and it is related to cohesion. Water has a greater surface tension than most other liquids because hydrogen bonds among surface water molecules resist stretching or breaking the surface. Water behaves as if covered by an invisible film. Some animals can stand, walk, or run on water without breaking the surface. Adhesion is attraction between two different substances. Water will make hydrogen bonds with other surfaces such as glass, soil, plant tissues, and cotton. Capillary action. Water molecules will tow each other along when in a thin glass tube. Examples, transpiration process, which plants and trees remove water from the soil, and paper towels when they soak up water. Adhesion causes capillary action, which gives water the ability to climb structures. When you lower a straw into water, some of the water will go up the straw because of capillary action. Organisms depend on cohesion. Hydrogen bonds hold the substance together, a phenomenon called cohesion. Cohesion is responsible for the transport of water column in plants. Cohesion among water molecules plays a key role in the transport of water against gravity in plants. Adhesion is the clinging of one substance to another. Example, water adheres to the walls of blood vessels. Adhesion also causes water to form spheres and hold on to plant leaves and attach to silken spider web.